Can an old lime make a good cocktail? This lime is 6 months old. It's been sitting on my bar just right over here the entire time. And I want to see if we can actually still use this in a cocktail. All right, so this is a surprise. I thought there would be no more juice in here. There is some juice still after 6 months. There's probably a good quarter, half an ounce. Doesn't smell very good. It doesn't really smell like lime. There's no freshness to it. It smells like rotten fruit, like a lime that's been sitting out on the yard that's been there overripe. It's all green and white. So while it does seem possible, it doesn't seem very smart or safe. So how about this lime? It's been in my refrigerator for 6 months and it's smaller and it is more shriveled. But that's only because it was cold. That's natural. It happens to all limes. But it did preserve some of that green color. Almost no juice coming out of this one. It feels way more acidic, like way more concentrated, sharp acidity, more than regular lime juice, but not a lot of flavor there. Just really sharp, sour, and an off-sour flavor. What about this one? This one has been sitting in a bath of water in my refrigerator for 6 months. All of these limes are bought at the same exact time and roughly the same size when I purchased them. Let's find out. The aroma is not the same as a fresh lime. It smells like a cooked down lime, like if you've ever made a lime cordial. The skin is somewhat gelatinized, almost soft, but there's still what seems like plenty of juice inside. So I think the best thing we should do is we should put this in a daiquiri, but then we should put it in a daiquiri against another daiquiri using a new fresh lime. This is my system for doing a blind taste test alone without any help. I just put them on a turntable, leave the room for a couple minutes. These ones, obviously, it's not totally blind. I can see. But I'm thinking that the aroma is probably going to give these away. So I'm going to try to drink these relatively quickly without really smelling them too much. All right, let's start with this one. Cheers. It's clean and sharp, not a lot of bitterness. Fruitiness from the rum comes through. It's not too sweet, not too sharp, but it's nice, it's pleasant. This one, cheers. Oh, that's awful. Oh. That's not close. Oh, it's bitter. It's oxidized. It, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like if you said, hey, I made a daiquiri with a lime that's 6 months old. That's what I would expect. This is what I would expect. It really has like a very cooked, oxidized lime flavor, real off-putting aroma and flavor that's left over. And that's what this is, but it's even worse. It's amplified. It's the worst daiquiri I've ever had, that's for sure. And if you're thinking like, yeah, what did you expect, dude? Like, obviously it's gonna be awful. Okay, my expectations were that maybe they would be close and it'd be serviceable. And this is not my idea. This is a trend I've seen on the internet for the last couple years now of people saying that you can store lemons and limes in water in a refrigerator, including since I started this process of aging it, someone from Top Chef said you could do this. Anyone that tells you can do this is lying to you, who have obviously not tried it and are simply just doing it for the sake of likes and views. Because if you do this, it's not going to work. And I thought maybe I would save a couple limes, come back in 6 more months, test them again after a year. No, it doesn't work. This just doesn't work at all. And anyone that tells you that it does is lying to you. All right, that's it for this one. Just a lesson here. Don't trust the internet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to support this channel more, I have a Patreon page, and otherwise, see you on the next one.